All right, let's take a look at the Tiki Lounge umbrella. Look at that. This is ready for summer. This is plastic underneath. It's a mesh that's waterproof. The umbrella is really tall. I like a couple of features on it. They do have an option. You could take it to the beach. It has a spike. It has an adjustment here for the neck. And look at this. This is actually a button to adjust it to certain angles, if you guys can see that. So right now it locks in. I just had to hold it because I'm doing one hand. So this locks in place. You could always put it back. Let me do it with two hands. I had to put the camera down, but I angled it the other way so you guys can see it, and it locks in. It won't move. The umbrella has plenty of shade in the top. Like I said, it has a mesh that's waterproof, so rain or shine, you can always put this away. It comes with a bag too. Let's go ahead and set it up sideways. Straighten it out. The umbrella is pretty tall, long. Let me circle it around. And like I said, there's plenty of angles. You can twist it however you want. Now, when you're ready to put away, you just push the button in here. Push it up, push the button, and it goes down. Pushing it up, it locks in place too. Hit it up, it snaps in. You're ready for summer.